It's a 4-pack of HEPA filters. 2, 3, 4. It comes with your charcoal filter also. So I'm going to open the pack and show them what they look like. They go in my air purifier machine. So these are universal HEPA filters for your air filter that fit almost any machine. This particular sheet came with 4 filters plus 8 charcoal filters. That's a brand new filter out of its packaging, and you can see it's got these mounting slots, but the key is your charcoal filter fits right into it, and then we just put it on the machine. That's the back of the machine. The filters are in place, the charcoal filters are behind them, and I'm ready to put the cover on and use my air filter. So it's a great setup. If you have an air filter, need new filters,